Hello Wild Dagger TV fans. Right, earlier on you might have seen me doing the fan boat, which is, I've got a little bit further with that, but we'll get back to that. This is about the dagger. Right, I took the dagger out down the fields today. Flat, that's all I can say, just flat and useless. And I've been toying with an idea of turning it into something mad, something epic. Like I said, I wanted it to be a trail bruiser. So, you know, I just sort of come across this idea. You know, my old man used to be in the army and things like that. And I remember as a kid, there used to be something called a stalwart. It was FV 620 or something like that. It's a military vehicle. Basically, it's highly amphibious. You know, 5-ton payload on the back, sealable lids, 6-wheel drive. You know, a pretty astounding bit of kit actually. You know, I'll show you a picture. There you go. That there is an Alvis Stalwart. Yeah, that is my build plan. That is going to be the build. That will be the build. That's what the build is going to eventually turn out to be. So I stripped out the guts on the dagger today. Everything, 2 servos, radio pack, old MSC. Yeah, it's been down the fields today. It's pretty wet and muddy, but you know, that's all going in the bin. Not using any of that anymore. I'm going to start afresh. The only issue I have got so far is, obviously, you know, I used Meccano from the boat as a mock-up basically. So dagger's empty now. There's space to put the extra set of wheels, even with turning. There's plenty of space. It's how do I get that drive in the centre? I'm not worried about the chassis of the dagger too much, but I want to keep the individual gearboxes either end. So the case is to be, how do I get that drive in the centre? You know, a bit of research here and there. We'll be on track at some point. Got the motors out of the old Wild Dagger here, standard Tamiya cans, look. Totally standard. They're going back in it. I mean, there's no need to change them at the moment. They work really well. It's the rest of it that lets it down, to be honest. But the basics of this video is that what I'm saying is that the project starts now. This is going to be an Alvis Stalwart, you know, or a Stolly. Alright? Just going to have to really look into that centre gear, centre power thing, you know, the 6-wheel drive. I'm not too fussed about the front and rear, that's sorted. I'm also going to try and find another front end steering. Well, I suppose I could buy the pinions in it, but you know what I'm saying. I'm going to put steering on both ends of it. I'm not sure how the Stolly steers. I have watched loads of videos. If you look on my likes or whatever, you'll see I've been watching a fair few videos. Go Stolly Files, that'll show you. It's good videos in and out the water. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into it. What I can remember, I think the front 2 wheels turn on a Stolly, so I'll have to look into that. Alright, but there you go. There's a basic build plan. Stalwart. Watch this space. Stalwart coming. Cheers now.